it's Julie with Mint Personal Chef, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make BBQ Jackfruit Tacos, and I'm super excited. The barbecue sauce is going to be made from scratch, which is super delicious, and you can customize it just the way you want. And if you just watched the previous video, we've made gluten-free plantain tortillas for the tacos. If not, no worries, you can use your own. But anyways, let's get started. Alright, so first we need to start with our mise en place, cutting up some onion and garlic. So let's chop that onion. We're gonna peel that baby up. Now we're gonna chop the garlic. I'm just using this canned jackfruit here. And you're gonna wanna drain it. I'm just gonna shred it up with our fingers so that it can feel like it's a shredded meat taco, but it's actually vegan. It's actually a super quick recipe, honestly. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make our barbecue sauce now that all of our mise en place is all ready. So to start, obviously gotta heat up your pan, and like I mentioned before, I just finished making the plantain tortillas, so I'm actually just gonna make it in the same pan. There is a little bit of oil in there already, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna saute the onions up. Alright, and then we cut the onion pretty small, so now that it's starting to turn brown, I'm going to add the garlic in. And we want to be careful with the garlic so that it doesn't burn. So let's go ahead and throw that in. I'm going to deglaze the pan with some apple cider. So I like to use a little vinegar because it adds, the acid really brightens up the flavor. So an acid would either be like some type of vinegar, or you could use citrus like lemon or lime. Alright. Now, since we're making this for tacos, I'm going to add in some cumin and paprika. So to make it a little bit more like Mexican style barbecue sauce. But if you don't like this, you don't have to add it. Just skip it. But now we're going to add it in here to just cook it up a little bit. And then also oregano. Now we're ready to add our tomato sauce. In my barbecue sauce, I like to add a little liquid smoke to give it a smoky flavor. Barbecue sauce is so amazing because of all the different layers of flavors, and it has a little sweet, a little spicy, a little smoky. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit of coconut sugar. Instead of coconut sugar, you could always do like a little bit of honey or maple syrup. I'm also going to add a little cocoa aminos. And then again, going with the Mexican theme, I'm going to throw in some chipotle hot sauce just to add a little bit of spice to it. So I really love chipotle just because it also has a little bit of a smoky flavor. And now we're just going to let that come up to a simmer and cook for a little while so that those flavors can really develop and become more complex. Alright, so our barbecue sauce tastes super delicious, and we're ready to add the jackfruit in. Alright guys, now this is where it all comes together. We're gonna plate it up. So now, take your plantain tortillas. Alright, now take your jackfruit here. Place a little bit in the center. Alright, now we're gonna throw the toppings on. I'm just gonna do a little bit of, have like a little bit of red onion. Add some jalapenos. And then a few radish. I have my super cool taco stand here that I found. So I'm just gonna plate them in here so that they're really easy to grab. Oh my gosh, these look super, super amazing. Alright, so let's give these babies a try. So good I can't talk. If you enjoyed this video, then hit subscribe and check out more of my cooking videos for more deliciousness. See you soon!